Imagine you're trying to work from home, but your phone keeps buzzing with calls. It's a constant distraction that's hindering your productivity. How would you feel if you could make and receive calls directly from your computer? Enter RingCentral, a powerful communication platform that can transform the way you work. Section 1. Understanding RingCentral. What is RingCentral? Asterisk, a cloud-based communication platform that offers a suite of features, including voice, video, messaging, and collaboration tools. Asterisk, designed for both individuals and businesses. Why choose RingCentral? Asterisk, flexibility. Access your communications from anywhere, on any device. Asterisk, collaboration. Work seamlessly with colleagues, regardless of their location. Asterisk, features. Enjoy a wide range of advanced features like call forwarding, voicemail to email, and screen sharing. Section 2. System requirements. Before you download RingCentral, ensure your PC meets the following requirements. Asterisk, operating system, Windows 10 or later. Asterisk, internet connection. A stable and reliable internet connection. Asterisk, browser, Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Section 3. Downloading RingCentral. Step-by-step guide on how to download RingCentral on your PC. Visit the RingCentral website. Go to ringcentral.com in your web browser. Create an account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial or purchase a plan. Download the app. Look for the download button on the homepage and click on it. Install the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the RingCentral app on your PC. Section 4. Setting up your account. After installing the app, you'll need to set up your RingCentral account. Log in. Enter your login credentials and click Sign In. Configure settings. Customize your preferences, including your phone number, voicemail settings, and call forwarding rules. Section 5. Making and receiving calls. Now that your account is set up, let's explore how to use RingCentral to make and receive calls. Making calls. Open the RingCentral app. Click on the dial pad icon. Enter the phone number you want to call and click Call. Receiving calls. When you receive a call, a notification will appear on your screen. Click on the notification to answer the call. Section 6. Additional features. RingCentral offers a variety of additional features that can enhance your communication experience. Messaging. Send and receive text messages directly from your PC. Video conferencing. Host and join video meetings with colleagues and clients. Collaboration tools. Share files, collaborate on documents, and more. Section 7. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues while using RingCentral, try these troubleshooting tips. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Update the app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the RingCentral app. Contact support. If the problem persists, reach out to RingCentral's customer support team. By following these steps, you can easily download and set up RingCentral on your PC. With RingCentral, you'll never miss a call or an important message again. So what are you waiting for? Download RingCentral today and experience the future of communication. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.